How we doing, guys? It's Alex with Tech here, and today we're going to be checking on how to check the line voltages and just overall all the voltages for a contactor. So even with just if you have here, come show this. If you have one of these push-in contactors, it's so much more easier to check anything electrical. So let's gonna have to turn on the breaker box, but yeah, we do. And what we're gonna do is be using my favorite Fieldpiece SC640. And what I want to show you guys is, if you come look closely on, push these in, and it'll power the contactor and the fan motor. And then all you want to do with that is be careful. These are live. So you want to get your clamp, multimeter, put it to volts AC, and range. So you can read amps. You're going to start at the bottom line. The LAR, you got 5 amps. Hold on. 5.88 amps. On the live side, you have 2.4 amps, which is good. If you ever want to check, it will be on the panel. And that, guys, is how you check your motor amps without having to fully have everything turned on. Just be very careful. Like I said, this is live wiring. Some can be lethal. And with that, Alex will Tech out.